And the thing that we're generally most worried about is oxygen contacting the iron and creating the acid environment. The rest of the minerals, some of them are so slow leaching, like the stuff up at the Ute. They're worried about the waste rock in the stream. Well, the waste rock is the same rock that's the native rock, and it leaches so slowly, it's just not a problem. So if it is, we'd have to track it. I mean, we could put a dye in, and I wouldn't be opposed to that. I mean, if we're poisoning your well, that's our responsibility. Anything else? Yeah, go ahead.
Well, what do you think the subsurface travel time would be of the water in the mine area to show up downstream of this house? Just got the quarterly sampling for 2 years, so that's 8 samples. And if water takes 10 years to move downhill, how would you see it in 2 years?
Well, you're probably much better at this than I am. I am not a scientist. I mean, I've employed plenty of these engineers and these scientists, these environmental consultants. I don't know the answer to that. Is this a 10-year problem? We weren't mining 10 years ago. So I mean, so if it was slow-moving water and it came out in the 90s when we weren't mining, then I'd say, okay, well, if that's what was happening in the 90s when we weren't mining, what's happening now? And in the 90s, it was blocked off, so I don't know. I don't know. But if we can find, the science is there. I mean, to get to the bottom of it. Am I out of time?
Yeah, that was really some good questions though, and I think you did a great job of, yeah.